boy turning right towards us. This is going to be really good. So, banking overhead, banking now is the Emirates Airbus A380 from Heathrow over to Dubai. Right towards us as well. Have a listen to this, makes a really good sound. Wow, that is amazing. What a noise that was. That's possibly a howl on the engines. Those 2900s sound amazing, do they? Ooh. Might do garden cam actually. 747. Right over the top, might be lifty. I still hear the howl of it. That howl was incredible. Absolutely incredible. Right, see you in a minute for another plane.